Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a spotlight on Snapchat. But before I begin, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. Now you want to open up Snapchat and then you want to go to the spotlight thingy. And now to upload your thing, click on the top right on this plus icon, and basically in this menu you can choose to upload a video from camera rolls or memories, or you can create a new snap. So whichever you choose, click record, haha hee, great, you can preview it and then you can post it. Now the video has to be longer than 5 seconds, but that's basically the way. So top right plus upload video or create it directly in Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was your problem and I'll do my best to help you out.